Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall TaxJar Sales Tax Sync step by step clearly. To uninstall TaxJar Sales Tax Sync, begin by logging into your e-commerce platform. Navigate to the settings section of your account. Look for the section related to integrations or connected apps. Locate TaxJar in the list of connected applications. Click on the TaxJar integration option. You will see an option for uninstalling or disconnecting. Select the Uninstall or Disconnect option. A confirmation prompt may appear on your screen. Read the prompt carefully to understand the implications. If you are sure you want to proceed, confirm the uninstallation. Wait for the process to complete. Check for any notifications indicating the success of the uninstallation. Once completed, log out of your e-commerce platform. You may also want to clear your browser cache for good measure. After this, TaxJar should no longer be syncing with your sales data. For any issues, consider visiting the support section of your e-commerce platform. You can also reach out to TaxJar's customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.